Hello, my students. How are you? I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to talk about using object pronouns. I have downloaded or recorded a video about subjective pronouns, and it's so easy now. You have to open 207. Now we're going to talk about using object pronouns. First, let's see here. This chart shows you object pronouns. Notice that the second person pronoun you is the same in both the singular and plural forms. And it is the same for both subject and object pronouns, okay? If you remember what we talked yesterday, we talked about subject pronouns, and I said that you for singular and plural, and today you for also singular and plural for object pronouns. Just here we have a look. Here we have singular, me, you, just one, like you are my student, or I talk to you. Him, her, and it. And here we have us, you, and them. Okay. Here, use an object pronoun when the pronoun functions as the direct object. You have to ask what or who or whom, or indirect object of a sentence or a clause. And here we have most mistakes occur with the compound sentence and structure. Here we have an example, and then I'm going to show you other examples from the internet. As part of the play, we have Derek pushes you and me. Okay, so pushes who or whom? You and me. Okay, we have again, as I said, we have compound subject. We have two or more subjects share the same verb. And here we have Nadine showed the boys and us. Showed who or whom? The boys and us. Also here we have a direct object. And here we have another example. We have and ask who or whom, you and him. A difficult question. Here we have just another example. Just we have subject pronouns and object pronoun. We have let's say this chart is going to show us, for example, I, me, you, he, him, she, her, it, we, us, you for plural, and you also for plural, they and them. Here we have, for example, first you cannot say me like horses, I like horses. And horses here is a direct object. I like what? I like horses. Horses don't like me. This is an object pronoun. Don't like me. Me, this is an object pronoun. Don't like whom or who. Don't like me. We talk to our neighbor. We talk to our neighbor. This is a subject pronoun. If you remember what we studied yesterday. She talks to us. This is an object pronoun. She talks to who or to whom? To us. They listen to the teacher. This is another subject pronoun. She listened to whom? To them carefully. She listened to whom? To them carefully. You speak very quickly. This is another subject pronoun. Here, just you can so you can distinguish. We watch you on TV. We watch whom? Watch you on TV. Okay, and just here and okay, and here I like orange juice. I is the subject here. I read books. Books is the object as it receiving the action. If this is direct and indirect object. Okay. And let's go back here for a little bit. Here we have use an object pronoun when the pronoun function as the object of preposition in a sentence. Please stand behind Roger and him. Okay, this is object of preposition. Behind, this is an object of preposition. This is a preposition. Now this is a rule. You can just know it by heart that this is a rule. Besides me, Nobody has the combination to the save besides me. So beside, this is another preposition that you have to keep in your mind and study. Okay, here we have editing tab. Be sure to use an object pronoun when the pronoun functions as an object of a preposition. Avoid these common errors. This is just between you and I. So between whom? Between you and me. I gave the tickets to Carly and Tom. Be special alert with the pronouns and in a compound object. And just remember object of preposition that we have, for example, beside, behind, above, like. Yes, so you have, I remember that I gave you guys prepositions or object of prepositions. Just to go back and refresh your memory, or you can Google object of pronouns and then you can study them. Here we have use an object pronoun when the pronoun functions as an object complement. I also gave this lesson to you. I just like see lesson 6.8, chapter 6, lesson number 8 for more object complements. You can go there and refresh your memory. The street, here we have, yes, we have audience, us. Made him his audience, you. Okay, we have direct and object complement. Okay, and here we have winners, you and me. Winner, I consider the winners you and me. Consider. Okay, so this is another things that you should study and keep in your mind. That we have object pronouns, we have object of prepositions, and here we have object complement. I want you guys to go back to the chapter 6, lesson 8, and study more about this. And just here we have step by step to decide whether to use a subject pronoun or an object pronoun. Decide what function the pronoun performs in the sentence. If the pronoun is a subject or a predicate nominative, choose the subject pronoun. I gave this lesson to you, just refresh your memory. If the pronoun is a direct object and an indirect object, an object of complement, or the object of preposition, choose the object pronouns. So these rules or these steps are gonna make your life easier because we have steps that you can follow. And I want you guys to answer exercise number 3, number 4, and please send the answers to me so I can check your answers. That's it for today. See you tomorrow with a new lesson, and please study this lesson. So easy, you have to just practice a little bit more. And thank you for watching. Enjoy your day. If you have anything you want to ask, feel free to ask whenever you want. Thank you, guys.